Friends, this is the OnePlus 13, and this is the OnePlus 12. We'll also compare what changes have been made between the OnePlus 12 and 13. Watch the video completely to decide whether you should buy the OnePlus 13 or not. If you're worried about the green line issue, OnePlus claims to have added a separate layer in the OnePlus 13 to reduce the chances of this issue. Now, let's dive into the phone's details and specifications, which you can see on your screen. It has a 6.82-inch 2K Plus display, runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and starts with a base model of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. It features three 50-megapixel cameras on the back, a 32-megapixel front camera, a 6000 mAh battery, 100-watt Super VOOC charging, and 50-watt wireless charging support. The first noticeable difference between the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 13 is the physical feel of the phone. When you hold the OnePlus 13, you'll immediately notice it's much slimmer and lighter compared to the OnePlus 12. Despite the larger 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery, compared to the 5400 mAh lithium battery in the OnePlus 12, the phone is significantly slimmer and lighter. The weight of the OnePlus 12 is 220 grams, whereas the OnePlus 13 is just 210 grams. Speaking of performance, the OnePlus 13 comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is a step above the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor used in the OnePlus 12. Coming to the cameras, both the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 13 have three rear cameras with 50-megapixel sensors. Battery life is where the OnePlus 13 truly shines. The silicon carbon 6000 mAh battery supports 100-watt wired charging, which takes it from 0 to 100% in about 25 minutes. Wireless charging at 50 watts is also extremely fast, making it very convenient. It also has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Now, let's talk about it. The OnePlus 13 is slightly more expensive than the OnePlus 12, starting at 65,000 rupees for the base variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The top variant, with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, is priced at 75,000 rupees. That's it. What do you think about the OnePlus 13? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.